You want the best for your baby. You don't want to put chemicals in them or on them. So let me show you how to make an all-natural whipped body lotion for babies that is safe and easy, using only 4 ingredients. Stay tuned and I'll show you how. Hi, I'm Sherry and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations. Hello friends, today we're going to be doing another baby DIY. Today we're going to be making baby lotion. For our homemade baby lotion, we're going to need 1/4 cup cocoa butter, 1/4 cup coconut oil, 3 drops of lavender essential oil, and 3 drops of chamomile essential oil. So let's get started, shall we? So the first thing we're going to do is get a bowl and get the 1/4 cup of coconut oil and dump it in the bowl. Now this is all natural. A lot of baby products that you get over the counter has a lot of chemicals in it, and this does not, so it is better for your baby, and it'll smell good as well. I'll leave a list of the benefits down below. Okay, so we're adding 1/4 cup of cocoa butter, and it is nice and soft. We'll go ahead and take this over to the stove and melt it over our makeshift double boiler. All right, so my makeshift double boiler is my glass bowl sitting atop of a saucepan that has water. I have it sitting on medium-low heat. It is not on direct heat. And once it melts, we'll go ahead and take it off. As you can see, it is fully melted. So we're going to go ahead and take it off the heat. So next we're going to add our essential oils, 3 drops of lavender. Now lavender and chamomile are the only essential oils that is safe for a baby. Now 3 drops of chamomile oil. Now if you're going to make this for yourself or any other adults, you can add whatever essential oils that you would like. Go ahead and stir it until thoroughly incorporated. And let it sit until thoroughly cool. All right, now that it is cooled, we're going to go ahead and whip it up with a mixer. All right, so you can see it makes peaks. I'm going to go ahead and beat it a little bit longer, and then we'll put it in the container. All right, so as you can see, it is all whipped up, which gives it a lighter, fluffier texture, and that will go on and feel a lot better on the baby's skin. We'll go ahead and put it into a jar and then let it set up, and then we'll give it a try. All right, so it has sat, so it is nice and creamy. If it gets too runny, just put it in the refrigerator to let it set up just a little bit. I think it got way too much. And then just rub it in. Oh, that feels really nice and soft. Yep, that's definitely going to be good for the baby and good for you too if you want to go ahead and make some for you. And you can store this room temperature. Just make sure that it is not really super hot, because then it'll get all liquidy. It smells really, really good. So if you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notices every time I upload a video. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.